Right, today students, in grade 8 lessons, right, second term, your 12th lessons is about triangles and quadrilaterals. So in the triangles and quadrilateral part, in this part I'll discuss interior angle of triangles, right, interior angle of triangles, right. So let's see what happened, interior angles of a triangle, right. Right, students. Right. First of all, we should identify what is interior angle. Right. What is an interior angle of a triangle? Right. So let's see. This is a straight line. You can see. Right. Then this one, another straight line. This one. Now you know this is a triangle. Right. Triangle. Now you can see uh, one element of a triangle is an angle, right? So this is angle. This angle is inside the triangle. You can see here triangle. This angle is inside the triangle, right? Here another angle inside, here another angle also inside, right? So I take this angle, right? So this angle is called angle inside the triangle, that is called interior angle, right? Angle inside the triangle between two sides, that is called interior angle. So this is an interior angle, right? So if I name this triangle as A, B and C, now I can name this interior angle by using this capital letters. How to name? One way, if you begin at C letter, you should come to A, then you should go to B. Then you can name that CAB angle. Or you can name this way also. If you begin at B, BAC angle, right? So that is interior angle. So here I consider only one interior angle, right? So understand, student, this is an interior angle. Right, now students, we are going to find what is the sum of interior angle of a triangle, right? So triangle has how many interior angles, students? How many? There are three interior angles. Now we are going to find what is the sum of three interior angles. That means addition of three interior angles. So let's see. So I'll draw a straight line, another straight line, then another straight line. So this is my triangle, right? This is my triangle. So you can see here, I mark this colored part. So this is one interior angle, right? Then I mark another angle here. You can see this is another interior angle, right? Then this one is also interior angle. Now I have already marked three interior angles. Triangle has three interior angles. So these are the three interior angles. Now what I am going to do? I am going to find the sum. That means addition. Addition of these three interior angles. Right? Right. Now let's say I'll do a small work here. You can see here. I'll draw a straight line. You can see straight line. Right? Then I mark a point here, now you know, students, angle on this straight line, you can see here, this whole angle is, what is the magnitude? That is 180 degree, right? Now what happened, right? See, so I cut this angle, right? In this triangle I cut this angle and keep this way, see, right? Right. So I cut this angle, right? If you draw this on in a piece of paper, you can cut this angle, right? Then keep in this way at this point, right? Then I cut this angle, right? See here, red color one. Then I put at the same point right, at the same point this way, right, along with this one. Then I colored another third angle also, this one, and put this way. Now it is fixed onto the straight line, that means if you get the sum of these three angles, that is equal to, right, this whole angle is equal to 180 degree. What is this mean, right? What is this mean? That mean is, if you add three interior angles of a triangle, you get 180 degree. So this is true for any triangle. If it is a equilateral, isosceles, scalene, according to angle, right, acute angle, right angle, any triangle, if you add three interior angles, that should be equal to 180, right? So that is a theorem you will learn later, student. What is theorem? You can see here. Now I briefly explain to you. Right, this is my triangle. See, student, this is my triangle, right? Now I mark this angle as simple A, right, simple A. Then this angle simple B, and this angle simple C. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to take the sum. What is sum? A angle plus B angle plus C angle. So this is the sum, addition. So that should be equal to 180 degree, right? So as a you can see, this is the interior sum of triangle, right? Right, now let's move to some examples, students. Right, now you can see here, right, you can see here, this is my triangle. See, straight line, right, student, straight line, and this is another straight line, this one. Now this is a triangle, right? Now I mark these angles. So this angle x degree, that one we don't know. This one 40 degree in magnitude, 40 degree. This one is 55 degree, right? Now I want to find the missing angle x, right? You can see here, one, two, three interior angles given, right? One is unknown, right? What can you say? Using above result, we can say, if you add these three, see, x angle plus 55 degree plus 40, this is the sum of three interior angles. So any triangle, this sum should equal to 180 degree, 180 degree. Understand? Right. Now we have to solve this small equation, right? Small simple equation. Now you can see in the left side of the equal sign, student, there are two numbers, right? Two numbers. You can add those two, right? X you can't add, right? Let's see how to write x. Then you can add these two, right? These two, 55 degree and 40 degree, right? So that one you get 95 degree, right? Then it's equal to 180. Now to find the x, you should remove this 95 degree, right? So that is added, right? That is added. Now how to remove? You have to subtract 95 degree from the left side and also from the right side. Then what happens, student? Right, this positive 95 and the negative 95 cancel out, 0, right? Then here remain only x. You can write x. Then that is equal to what happened, 95 is subtracted from 180, then you get 85 degree. So that is the magnitude of this x angle, right? Let's move to another example, student, right? So that is 85. Right, my example 2, right? So see, this is my triangle, right? Then I mark this one angle, one interior angle as 2x, another interior angle 5x, another interior angle that is 40 degree. right? Here 2 into x degree, right? 5 into x degree. So 2 angles don't know, right? Unknown, right? Now we can write sum. What is the sum? 2x plus 5x plus 40 degree, right? So that is sum of interior angles, sum. Then I can write this should be equal to 180. That is the result we got early, right? Now you can see here 2x, here 5x, and 2x and 5x you can add like terms. Remember, then 40 you can't add, then you can write 2x and 5x. How many x? That is 7x, right? So if you get 7x, you have to write plus 40. That should be equal to 180. Now x multiplied by 7, right? So that added 40. So first you have to remove this 40. How to remove the added 40? You have to subtract 40 degree from left side and also from the right side. Then you can remove this positive 40 and negative 40, 0, right? Then here remain, students, not x, 7x remains, 7x. You can see 180 minus 40, you get right hand side 140 degree. Now what happened to x? You can see what is mathematical operation between 7 and x? That is multiplication. That means x multiplied by 7. Now how to remove 7? If x multiplied by 7 means you have to divide by 7. That means 7x should divide by 7. Then right hand should divide by 7, right? To remove this multiplied 7. Then you can cut this 7 and 7. Only remain x. 140 divided by 7 means 20 degree. So that is the value of x, right? So that is the another example, right? Right. My third example is, students, see, right? This is a straight line, this one is straight line, right? And this one is straight line. Now you can see here, student, the triangle as outside a side, right? In this triangle, one side is goes outside the triangle, right? Let's see what happened. Here this angle 60 degree given, this angle x degree, and this angle 50 degree, and this angle also y degree. Now you can see here in this question, x is unknown, y is unknown. That means there are two unknowns. There are two unknowns. That means you should find what is the value of x and also what is the value of y, right? So let's see. You can see 60 degree interior angle, 50 degree interior angle, x degree interior angle. So these three are in a triangle. Now what can we write? We can write sum of this 60, 50 and x, right? Let's see, right? How to write? X degree plus 50 degree plus 60 degree. So these are the sum of interior angles. So we know sum of interior angle of a triangle, this should equal to 180. So that is the result, right? Now you can see as early here 50 degree and 60 degree we can add. So that means we can write x plus 110. That is 110 means 50 degree plus 60 degree. Then you get 110, right? That should be equal to 180. Now you have to remove this 110 degree. How? That is added. That means you have to subtract 110 degree from both sides, right? Left side x plus 110 degree, subtract 110 degree. Right side subtract 110 degree from 180. Then these two cut out, then remain, right? 110, then x is remain 180 minus 110 means you get 70 degree. So that is the x unknown, right? X unknown. Then go to find the y. Now you can see here, student, what you learn in grade 7, right? So this is a straight line. See, this is an straight line, right? This is a straight line. So you know, angle on this straight line, student, angle on this straight line, you can see this whole angle is called straight angle. So magnitude of this whole angle is 180 degree, right? Angle on straight line. So now here this whole angle divided into two angles, that means sum of these two angles should be 180 degree. 180 degree, right? Shall we write x plus y, that should be equal to 180 because sum of angle on straight line, right? Now we can find y. Early we found x, now x is 70. Now here you can put x as 70, right? Right, see, x is 70 degree, right? Then y, that is equal to 180. Then y should find, y has another number, right? With y another number is there, this is positive 70. How to remove 70? Positive 70 means you have to subtract 70 from both sides, right? Then right side also 70. Then this 70 and this negative 70 cut out, 0. This positive y remain. 180 minus 70 means that is 110. So we found x and y, right? Right, students, now in the coming up next video I will discuss with you interior angles of a quadrilateral. Interior angles of a quadrilateral. So keep in touch with Maths Globe YouTube channel.